Stop.
Sir, like I said,
Get
ain't got nothing.
Stop.
No, don't you
Stop.
say shit.
Stop. Or I will
Hey, call
Stop. Or I
911.
will
I'm
take.
gonna
No,
no, how now?
Get on
Call
the ground.
911.
Get on the ground. Guys in my face.
Call
I'm
911,
safe.
Angel.
Get on the
They
ground.
said, get the fuck. You just not here for
Okay,
a down.
okay, I'm on the ground. Nothing.
Put chain from you guys.
Okay.
Other hand.
Man, no, you got two guns, you're ready to kill me. Yes, you. Man, Mo, you tripping. Quit lying. You can't quit on God.
Got one touch, one six.
Can you listen to me?
You would have never did that. Y'all would never
Get up.
Hold on, wait. Hey, I got a spinal.
On your side. On your side.
I
All right. Lean. Yeah, I'm on.
Hey, I got a spinal.
Okay. Get
I got a
up.
spinal issue. You can't.
Get up.
Hold on.
What's going on? There you go.
All I did,
Okay.
I hear them in the room
Can you help me
arguing.
out? I got a
said, Ma, let my
spinal.
sister talk,
Hey,
because
sir, listen.
she acting like she owe her money for a car that she
He pulled the gun out on me.
No, I didn't.
I told him to get his stuff, and he pulled the gun out on me, and I felt threatened.
No, she
Sir,
didn't.
listen.
No, she
Yes,
My
listen.
sister is my weak.
Sir, can you help me? You want me to get up, or you want me to stay right
Just
here?
stay right there.
If he don't have, hey sir, I need you to look for the. Make sure he got a gun on him. Okay? He got a gun.
Why didn't y'all check him first?
That's right. He got a gun. If he don't have a gun on him, then he's in
He
his
was the
room.
main one being
Hey,
aggressive
hey,
on the phone.
that cop gonna watch
Where's the
Romeo.
gun?
That boy that
I don't know where it's at, but I can look at it.
Romeo.
He may already have it on right now.
He pulled the gun out on me.
Okay.
And when he pulled the gun out on me, I felt threatened. He started yelling and started screaming. This is
got it.
my house.
Just hold on.
But
Hold on.
listen,
Listen.
I need
Hold
you.
on. It's all right. It's all
I
right.
need
Just a minute. Just a minute.
I don't know. He got it done.
Okay. We have another officer down there. Just listen to me
Okay.
real
Oh, another gun. Okay.
When the
Did
police
you find
get
it?
here.
Did you find the gun?
No.
You found?
He said
Okay.
it's not working.
No, I wasn't running upstairs.
My mom, they,
Okay, listen to me.
all I'm doing is I'm like, Mom, my sister don't owe you nothing for that car. She got a brand new car right there that she paid for. She already paid my mama. She in college. She already paid my mama about $5,000 for her car. So she don't need to have to keep owing her money. My mom keep acting like she owe her money when she don't.
So that's your mama.
Yes.
Okay.
She want money. She broke. She lost her job. She lost her job. She used to work at Joe Department of Labor. That's why she all down bad. My sister was helping her. But if I'm not here, if I'm never not here, she'll always get up in my sister's face, ready to slap her, do all that if I'm not here. But I was here to take up for my sister. Like, nah, Ma, you tripping. You know what I'm saying? Angel don't owe you nothing.
So who pointed a gun at you?
She pointed a gun at me, and God is my witness, and no hands crossed. God is my witness. She pointed two
Where's the
guns
gun
at me
at?
right in my face.
She pulled both of them out?
Both, and took them outside and pointed them dead in my face.
Where are the guns at?
She put them out. I put them on myself. She got a Ruger. She got two Rugers.
Do you know where she put them at?
I heard it's somewhere in her closet or something. If she ain't got it in her room, it's somewhere in her closet in her bedroom. For real.
You got the magazine.
At this point, the officers are dealing with two completely different versions of the same confrontation. The son claims his mother pointed two guns directly at his face. She insists that he was the one who first produced a weapon and made her fear for her safety. But notice the critical problem. Neither accusation becomes true simply because it is repeated loudly or emotionally. Investigators now have to separate verifiable facts from family history, anger, and self-interest. Where were the weapons found? Who had immediate access to them? Did any witness actually see the guns being pointed? And do the statements remain consistent when the speakers are questioned separately? In a chaotic domestic incident, the person who appears most upset is not automatically the victim, and the calmest person is not automatically telling the truth. The case will depend on physical evidence, body camera statements, witness accounts, and any admission that can establish who escalated this argument into an armed confrontation.
For it, so he's telling lies.
What about yours?
Not my weapon. I have a weapon. I live here.
Yeah, but where's it at?
Oh, my gun. I don't know. It's put up in here somewhere.
Well, can you tell me where it's at?
What you need with my gun for? I don't need you taking my gun.
Because it's involved in a crime.
Oh, but you can't take my gun. I ain't doing nothing to nobody with it.
Well, you still need to let me know.
Okay, I have a
No,
a
where's it
9mm.
Where's it at?
I'll get it to you.
Well, can you tell me now?
Yeah, but I don't need you to. I need you to find his gun first, and then I'll give you mine.
It don't matter. We're gonna look for it. You said we could look for it, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna find
But
it.
you're not looking for nothing nothing else other than the rooms he was being in. No, you gotta find his gun, but you're not gonna say you just found mine and didn't find his.
Because from what we know, it's saying You pointed a gun at him and he pointed a gun at you.
No, he grabbed the gun at me.
Okay.
And I felt threatened.
Right.
That's what I'm saying.
Don't yell. I'm not yelling at you.
Okay.
There's no reason to yell.
And you can't handcuff me to the front?
No.
To the front of my body?
Oh, we didn't have that option at the time, and I can loosen them up for you.
Yeah, can you do that? Yeah. On the couch. Ain't he a liar?
Now we got the other gun. We need the other one now. Now we need both. Ma'am, we need the other one.
Okay,
Ma'am, we need the other one.
Okay.
Tell me where it's at. Or we'll both be going to jail. You gonna tell me or no? Yes or no?
Hold on for a minute. I'm gonna let my daughter get it.
No, I need to get it. Go ahead and just tell me where it's at.
Hold on, Angie. What do you...
I mean, a Taurus 9mm.
Isn't there?
Oh, okay. Here it is right here. I'm gonna get it for you.
Nope.
There it is.
I need you to get it for me.
There it is. Oh, that's my daughter's.
There's
That's my daughter. No, that's my daughter's gun right there. That's her gun.
Taking all of them. Got two.
So she gonna have to come from South Carolina to get her gun.
What are y'all doing with them?
Cause she don't live here. She don't live
We're
here.
just gonna run the serial number on.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Are these the two that you had?
No, that's my gun and that's my daughter's gun.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna
She don't live. She live in South Carolina, so don't let her come. Don't make her come back from South Carolina to get something. She has nothing to do with this.
I got you.
And then I don't have anything to do with this. He the one pulled the gun on me and then lied to y'all and told y'all it was in the closet.
Okay.
Did he tell y'all that? Hey, can you do something? Can you adjust his arms? His shoulder ain't in position. It's like it's about to come out of socket. Can you kind of like adjust it? Like
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not a doctor. I can't do that.
okay, well, sir, look. Oh God, Angel.
You can put it in front of her like that.
Can you? Okay, can I ask you a question? What's your name?
Andrade. Okay. Officer Andrade.
Have the sergeant came yet?
I'm
keep
not.
me in the cups and it's not going to get my
I'm
arm
not
right.
going to.
Yeah, so she does have shoulder problems.
Why you not look, sir? Please,
Readjust your cuff.
I need to. Can you do something? Can you let me take this arm and adjust this arm? Angel!
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Damn, it's
You don't deserve it.
Exercise my arm.
Look, I'll tell you what. Is there any more guns in the house? Is this the
No.
only 3 guns? Okay.
No, that was her gun. That was my gun. I got a gun.
I'll make a deal with you for now. As long as you do it, what he or any of the other officers tell you to, we'll keep you out of cuffs.
I will. I will.
I'll be right back.
I will. Interrupted and came cussing and yelling at me and fussing at me. And I told him to be quiet. I'm not talking to him because we were in here. He was in that room in there, right? Mm-hmm. And my nerve in my arm.
Ma'am, if you're in pain, I can call the ambulance. You don't have to go to the
I have
hospital.
neuropathy and I got a bone degenerative disc and I have a broken bone in my neck.
So do you want me to call the ambulance to come check you out? You don't have to go to the hospital.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get my arm back right. Cause my nerve. I woke up this morning, my nerve.
So you were talking, he interrupted.
I was talking, and he interrupted me, and he came out of the room yelling and pointing and swearing and threatening. And I said, go back in there. I'm not talking to you. I told him I'm not talking to you. I was talking to my daughter. And then he started yelling and cussing, and I said, well, get your stuff and leave. You know what I'm saying? Just get your stuff and leave. He only been here. I picked him up out of jail. He got out of jail in Griffin or Spalding. Mm-hmm. And he's been here about maybe 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. And I was going to try to help him get himself back together, okay? But he think that he gonna threaten me. I'm gonna be afraid of him, and he's gonna keep on threatening me. He told me when I told him to leave, when I told him to leave, he goes in and he get his gun, right? So he get his gun. My gun wasn't even accessible to me at the time. You see what I'm saying? And then he started yelling and cursing, so he scared me. And then he started threatening me and told me he wasn't going no damn well. I'm a tenant. So he said, I can't put him out, but he got a gun on him, right? So then I felt threatened. So then I got my gun. You see what I'm saying? And I got my gun. So I got my gun in here. He's still in there, and I'm saying, get your stuff and just go. He on the call with the police the whole time. I'm just saying, get your stuff and go. You're not in no threats. He's not in nothing. You know what I'm saying? No, nobody's stopping him from leaving. Mm-hmm. He told me he wasn't going to leave. He said that he was a tenant, and he wasn't going to leave. He ain't going nowhere, and he started cursing and going crazy. And I'm like, no. So now I'm feeling threatened. So you telling me you ain't gonna go nowhere, but you think you're gonna pull a gun? You make me threatened, and I gotta protect myself. I'm not sleeping in my house with him doing that to me. You see what I'm saying? And so he just wouldn't leave. He wouldn't leave. He just kept ranting and raving and cursing and threatening and everything. So yes, I am feeling that I'm at threat now. He already pulled the gun on me, and I didn't even have a gun. You see what I'm saying? He made me feel he was going to shoot me. You see, and I got scared. And I have a right to protect myself if I get scared, right? Because I wasn't going to shoot my son, but I wasn't going to let him pull that gun out at me and shoot me. You understand?
Her explanation raises one of the most important questions in this case. When does self-protection become aggravated assault? She says her son retrieved a gun, refused to leave, and made her believe that she could be shot. She then obtained her own firearm because she felt threatened. But fear alone does not automatically justify every response. Investigators must examine whether the danger was immediate, whether her son was advancing or attempting to use the weapon, and whether pointing a gun was reasonably necessary to stop that threat. There is also a major difference between possessing a firearm for protection and deliberately aiming it at another person during an argument. Her statement that she wasn't going to shoot him may describe her intention, but a displayed or pointed firearm can still create a deadly threat. The hidden question is whether she reacted to an imminent attack or used the gun to force her son out of the house. That distinction could determine whether her conduct is viewed as lawful defense or a serious criminal offense.
You know what I'm saying? And I just feel like I'm tired of trying to help. I'm trying to help him. All my kids are grown. I just turned 54. All my kids, he's 25, she's 26, and then I got one that's 35. Mm-hmm. They're all grown. I live here by myself until I got him out of jail and brought him in and was gonna try to help him get back on feet because he had probation in this area. So I was trying to get it. He don't have a car because the last time he got arrested, and that's how he ended up on probation, they took his car. You see what I'm saying? And because when they took his car, he don't have any transportation. So I was trying to make sure that he need.
Mm-hmm. You're trying to help him.
I was trying to help him.
So I got you answered all my questions. All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you questions about the whole situation, starting with him getting his gun and you getting the gun. Mm-hmm. That's why.
My gun was right here beside this bed, and I put it on the bed.
Really, I just need a yes or no answer for this.
If we gotta go to court, then I won't answer no questions until I go to court.
That's fine. That's why I read this.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, if I gotta go to court and I answer the questions in the court, I don't have time for stuff to be going on and on and on and on and on.
Yeah, I understand.
Because, at the end of the day, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you. I own this house. I'm going to come back home, and guess what? He's not coming back. So at the end of the day, that's just what's going to happen. He's not going to come back here. But with that being noted and said, you can look at my car before you leave. There is no cracked, broken window. Well, it has a little beauty thing in the red vehicle out there. Those two vehicles that the gray and the silver, the silvery gray and the red is mine, and the bluish gray is hers. Check your car. You can check. Yeah, you can see when he got out of jail.
I'm not denying that he's only been out of jail for
Hold on. Let's make sure we got everything.
But he wasn't living here before that, though. He was living somewhere else in Atlanta.
But I've got him telling me otherwise.
Okay, but why are you
can you check the jail to find out, though?
All that's going to tell us is when he was released.
That's right. That means
correct. But he's been here for 2 weeks since he's been released.
Correct? Yeah, that's 2 weeks.
And he's telling me that before he was even arrested, he was kind of in and out living over here with
No, he was living at my mom's house.
I've got him telling me one thing, you telling me a separate
So you listening? So why you believing him?
Properties here.
Why are
You believing him? But all of this is my property. All of these cars, this whole house, and everything in it is mine.
History of being residents here.
Yeah, but
previous law enforcement.
No, That's only because that cop is telling you to lock me up because the last time they came. And I only called. No, your sergeant said he was gonna do this.
He is the sergeant.
No, it wasn't you.
I haven't talked to another sergeant.
It wasn't you. They said it was it was a bigger man. It was a big white
I'm only
man.
worried about
Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
So can I ask why she's being arrested?
Now the officers have reached their decision. The mother is being arrested for aggravated assault involving family violence. That does not mean every disputed fact has been proven, and it is not the same as a conviction. At this stage, police only need sufficient evidence to establish probable cause that an offence occurred and that she was responsible. The apparent turning point is not merely that guns were found inside the home, it is that officers believe she admitted obtaining a firearm during the confrontation while her son alleged that she pointed it at him. Her repeated changes in how she describes the weapon, whether she held it, displayed it, or pointed it, may also affect how investigators judge her credibility. Still, viewers should be cautious. Body camera footage captures statements made under stress, not a complete trial record. Phone calls, weapon locations, fingerprints, witness testimony, and the son's own firearm possession could all complicate the prosecution's theory. An arrest tells us what officers believed that night, not what a court will ultimately decide.
Yeah.
You know, you tell me what I'm being
why is
charged
she
with.
being arrested?
I mean, you're being charged with aggravated assault, family violence
From who?
for pointing your guns at him.
I didn't point my gun at him.
Okay, well, you
Sir.
originally told us that. He's also
I didn't
told
tell you
us
I
that.
pointed my gun at
You
him.
did. It's on body camera. Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna go this way.
Yeah,
Got
yeah.
the truck parked right over here.
Make sure she get her gun back, please. Hold on. No, where is he? Where is he?
Where?
Where is he?
Who are you looking for?
No, where's my son?
Not right now. We gotta keep
Where
our
is
stuff right now.
I know, but I'm saying, where is he though?
I don't know, man. I've been talking with you the whole time.
Yeah.
I've been inside the house.